So here we go. Green beans. First night of green beans. Is that yummy? What's that face? Yum! Yum! Green beans. Don't be like Uncle Cal. Eat your green beans. Daddy loves green beans. Mommy loves green beans. Yum. Yum. Good girl. Let's get some more. Let's get some more. Yum. Yum. No?
So, let's start with this now. I heard the big news. I saw the New York Post.
What?
You said that it's going to be the girls here.
Well, it's somewhat success because we keep pushing my hand away.
That stood out about this.
Why do you keep pushing my hand away?
You know we've got an interesting mix.
Come on, let's get another bite. Let's get another bite. Show everyone how good you are with your green beans. Yum! Yum! Open up! Yum! Okay, we're going to work on not pushing Mommy's hand away. Okay.